So this is my 2024 Polaris RZR XP1004. It's the 4-seater version. This is the sport trim. This is the base level trim. This does have a windshield. This has a street legal kit and also has the Polaris roof added on. This is about a 10-minute video of a ride that we did in October of 2023. This is the road is called the Hardware Ranch Road. This leads from like northern Utah into Garden City by Bear Lake. This is just a lot of good trails in this area. We kind of explored a few offshoot trails from this, but it's got a lot of cool foliage. There are some open areas, but this was a lot of fun. Great time of year to do this ride. We weren't going very fast, 15 to 20 miles an hour at most in some places. The trail isn't very hard. It's not very rugged. It's pretty smooth road for the most part. This could even be done like in a truck or something, but this was just fun to go explore this area. So guys, I'll kind of play this. I will have full volume, so if you're curious to see how loud it is while you're driving, that's one thing you need to be aware of. These side-by-sides are just loud, and so we have these rugged radios. They have an intercom system in them that we're wearing. We're also wearing a dust mask and goggles because it gets dusty, and you don't want to breathe that. You don't want to get it in your eyes. And if you want to talk to someone else in the vehicle, it's nice to have these radios that you can communicate with each other. So in 2024, they redesigned the RZR series. So the Polaris kind of redid this, and it really is nice that there's a very good visibility over the steering wheel, through the dash for the driver. Not as many rattles. They've redone the frame, the more power out of the engine. So this has been a great side-by-side. Handles really well. Suspension's great. So everything's stock on this as far as the wheels, tires, suspension, but that all handled great. So for this ride, I just have it in 2-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive is really not needed, and it's in high gear. So the rest of the video is just going to be the driving footage. I'm going to play the full sound so that way you can hear the engine, how loud it is. You can turn it up or down, but feel free to enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and hit that thumbs up. thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave links to any of the products that I have used on my razor here, so check those out down below, and see you in the next one.